10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
What we have here is a multi-charger for our LiteBee Wing batteries. Here on the screen, it shows us for the different numbers that it has, the different voltages that it's charged. And for all of these right now, they're showing green because they're in a stable zone to where they can fly efficiently. It's a simple one that you would just plug in any outlet. This part, you would make sure you don't lose it, because I do not know where else to get a separate one. But you just find this part of the bottom of the battery, match it up to that, put the front in first, and then push the back and pop it in. And every time it does that beeping noise, it'll tell you that it's charged.